喂 ，Hello， 大家好，歡迎大家繼續收睇我哋呢個酒店 interview 啦。哇，今日犀利到不得了啦！我哋而家位於 Intercontinental 洲際酒店嘅馬爾代夫呢個 resort 入邊，真係犀利啊！今日我邀請到佢哋嘅 resort manager Jean-Baptiste，right?
You're right.
In a simple way, which we call JB, right?
JB.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And thank you for coming to the interview. So, shall we start?
Yeah.
So let's do some easy question first. So, what is a must try in Intercontinental?
The must try here is the Manta excursion, because we are really lucky to have the Manta race coming to the lagoon just in front of the resort, and you can catch them from the beach, but the best is to go with the Manta Trust, and you have some excursion which are really cool.
I saw a white manta yesterday. It's so cool. Yeah, the second question. What arrangement or gifts can the honeymoon couples enjoy?
Oh, we do plenty of surprise gifts. The idea is for the couple to go to the dinner, for example, and when they come back to their room, we do a bubble bath, we decorate the room, we decorate the bed. It's plenty of attention every day of the week, just for them to enjoy.
So I think you also answered the third question. What kind of surprise, if one of our guests want to surprise the partner, what can they do? So I think you kind of answered the question.
We can do even better.
Even better?
Much better. We do some sunset drinks. Imagine a glass of champagne on the beach with your wife, which is really fantastic. It's private. We do some romantic dinner as well. Romantic dinner on the beach, romantic dinner on the top of the lighthouse, which is really special.
The lighthouse,
and
I like it.
Imagine that. You have the sunset, then you have your dinner, and you come back home, you have a bubble bath, and it's perfect.
It's perfect, yeah. And where is the best snorkeling point in Intercon?
Oh, we are lucky to have an house reef, which is about 5 to 6 meters from the beach. You can see some turtle, you can see some rays, you can see some shark as well, which are not dangerous at all.
Yeah.
You can go with the kids because it's a really shallow water. It's really cool. Really nice.
And I heard about you guys are right in between the Ra Atoll and Ba Atoll.
We are.
Which you guys got the best coral reef.
We do. We are really lucky with that. You have thousands of fish there, and even the kids can enjoy. So that's really something nice.
Yeah, and a very personal question. Which restaurants you like the most, or which dish you like the most in Intercon?
I would say Lighthouse, because it brings back me home. I'm from Europe, so I feel back like in Europe, because the concept was really the Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean food and the kind of Santorini, the Greece. So I really feel back home with the food and the concept.
I tried last night and it's perfect. And a last question, the easy question first. Do you guys do any wedding arrangement in Intercon? If so, what kind of arrangement do you guys do?
We do some arrangement, but we personalize. So we have different kind of weddings. But the idea is for you to come and to give us what you want the priest to say, what you want to drink, what you want to do, and we arrange everything for you. That's something we want to create a really memorable experience for your guests. So when you personalize it, it's completely different than anywhere else.
Nice. So some intercontinental question, just for Intercon. So there's a lighthouse in this island. I think it's very rare. You can't see a lighthouse in Maldives, and I think this is the only one, right?
It's unique, yeah.
Yeah, can you introduce more about it, to us?
There was an idea of bringing the Mediterranean feeling, you know, the Mediterranean Sea in the Maldives, and it's a way as well for the guests to get out of the Maldives for a few minutes, because you feel like in Greece, you feel like in the Mediterranean, and you know, out of the Maldives for a few hours before coming back under the sun.
Exactly what I think. Like when I just got to the lighthouse, I feel like I'm in Greece. And I heard that you guys do some wedding right outside the lighthouse too.
We do, and you have the sunset and the lighthouse as a background, and it's really fantastic for the wedding.
Nice. And you guys got a dense coral reef, but which villa get the best access to the coral reef?
Oh, definitely the Sunrise Beach Villa, because you right in front of the coral reef, and you have 5 meters on the beach, and then you're on the top of the coral reef.
Nice. And there's also a duplex design for your lagoon villa. So why do you guys do a duplex villa?
Because we want to be unique. That's a unique concept in the Maldives, and you know, with all the competition here, we wanted to bring something that you can't find anywhere else.
Yeah.
You have a view on the lagoon, the view on the ocean. It's really private, and it's a fantastic concept.
I agree, because yesterday that's the place I saw the white manta, and it's stunning.
And the view on the lagoon or the ocean is nice because it's exactly that. You will see mantas, you will see sharks that you wouldn't see if you were on the beach.
Yeah. And the last question, what does the Club Intercontinental benefit includes?
We have, first, we have all the guests being all club. That means you will have the afternoon tea and the aperitif, which is included. And then after, we have a rewards club member, and depending on the status, you will get an upgrade, you will get a free minibar. So it really depends on the level of status.
I think that's too easy for you, the interview, right? Yeah, thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. 記得繼續收睇我哋 Travel Channel 嘅 interview，like、subscribe 同 share 同埋 book 馬爾代夫，記得揾 Travel Channel 啦。Thank you. See JB around in Intercon.
Come to visit me. I'm always around.
Yep. See ya. Bye bye.